welcome back to Tutorials by David again, and in this video I will show you how to use your Hotspot Shield VPN on your laptop. To use the Hotspot Shield VPN on your laptop, of course you want to download the Hotspot Shield. You just want to search Hotspot Windshield VPN and then the search will come up. After that is that you want to start with your free trial, but if you already have an account, then log in with your credentials. So, to connect, simply click the power button for the fastest server or manually choose a location if you want access to region-specific content. For extra security, you can also enable features like auto connect on startup, a kill switch, or switch between protocols such as Catapult, Hydra, WireGuard, or even OpenVPN depending on your needs. Once connected, your IP address will change, your traffic will be encrypted, and you'll be able to browse, stream, and access block websites securely. When finished, you just open the app and tap the power button again to disconnect.